Hello, my name is Miss Kim and I work for the Fort Worth Public Library. We're here today for another story time, and I'd like to get it started with the hello song. Okay, so we're going to get our sign language. We're going to make a letter B and kind of go right here and do a sign to say hello. It's like we're saluting. And then we're going to use our two fingers and we're going to put them together to make the friendship sign, friends. And then we're going to say it's time. So even though I don't have a watch, I'm going to point to my watch on my wrist. And then to say, I'm going to touch your lip and point it out. And then hello. Good. Ready? Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. Wonderful. Let's do it one more time, but in Espanol, in Spanish. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigos. Hola, amigos. Es tiempo de decir hola. Wonderful. That was so much fun. Would you like to sing another song? Yes. All right. Let's go ahead. Get your shirt. And I have my dress, but it's okay. And we're going to go ahead and shake it. Yes. Now we're going to sing, can you shake your shirt with me? Shake your shirt along with me. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. And who has blue, azul? Let's go ahead and look for blue. Look, look, look. Ooh. I have a blue dress on, and I see some blue squares behind me. You can also look around your house and look for blue. Maybe you have a blue teddy bear. Let's do another one. Can you shake your shirt with me? Shake your shirt along with me. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. And who has red, rojo? Let's go ahead and look for red, red, red. Ooh, I see a red square over there, and I have some red flowers on my dress. Great. And now let's go ahead and get a book. All right, so I have this wonderful book. It is called D is for Dress Up, the ABCs of What We Wear. This is written and illustrated by Maria Carluccio. How wonderful. Let's look at the illustrations on the cover. I see a little girl. She has a backpack. Maybe she's going to get ready for school. And I see the back. Oh, and maybe her brother and her dog are going to help her. I don't know. We're going to have to figure it out. So, as always, we have the front cover, the spine, tickle, 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 and then the back cover. That's always fun to do. We know the parts of the book. Ready? Ooh, A is for apron. He's mixing the cake batter. B is for bow tie and bow. So both boys and girls can have it. C is for costumes. Ooh, I love their costumes. And D is for dress up. I see brother and sister are dressing up. How fun! E is for ensemble. She's making a plan for the future outfit. And F is for fabric. Look at the fabric that the dog has. G is for glasses. Look at all the different types of glasses. Ooh, my favorite is the sunglasses. H is for hat. Look at that lovely hat, and cheep, 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 there's a bird on her hat. I is for ice skates. Woo! They're skating around very fast. J is just like that I, but you're dipping it, is for jeans. Ooh, look at their cool jeans, and she has a jean jacket. K is for knits. Oh, woof, woof. Even the dog has a little knitted sweater. How sweet. Let's see what we have next. L is for leotards. Wow, everyone has a leotard on. It's so cute. M is for mittens. They're keeping their hands nice and toasty with their mittens. See, we have M, and then N is just going to be the same one, but instead it's 2 fingers down. Is for neckties. Look at all his lovely neckties. He has so much to choose from. O is for overalls. Yeah! She has great overalls and is outside. P is like this but down. P is for polka dots and pinstripes. You see her polka dots and his pinstripes. They're going straight down. Ooh, Q is for cute quilted, and Q is just like this but down. Q, look at her quilted robe. How lovely and cozy. R is for raincoats. Look at all their different raincoats. They're safe from the weather. S is for socks and shoes. And you're gonna make an S like this. Socks and shoes. She has lots of socks and shoes. I like these, they look like frogs. T is for t-shirts. And the letter T is made this way. And they're on the beach in their t-shirts. U is for underwear. She's brushing her teeth and she has lovely underwear. And V is just like U but open. V is for vintage. Vintage means that it's from the past. Ooh, very stylish. W is for wool. They have their woolen hats. Oh, and that's a cat and a bear. And X is for X-stitch. Do you see the X's in that boy's hat? Y is for yoga pants. They're doing yoga poses and yoga mats. And finally, Z, you're going to trace the letter Z with your finger, and is for zippers. They both have a zipper on her jacket and his vest. Zip. The end. That book was so much fun. We learned about letters and all the clothes that go along with those letters. Well, now that we've read that book, I'd love to share with you a fun craft that you can do at home. These pieces are included in your brown paper bag for the make and takes. Having this at home, parents can cut the shapes out and help their little ones. And what we're going to do is we can use these shapes to make every letter of the alphabet. It's so much fun. Using these shapes, we can make all sorts of letters. So what's fun about these shapes is that you can make any letter of the alphabet. We just made the letter D for dress. Let's try another one. I can turn the pages in my book. Ooh, we got L. And you can use those same shapes and make a letter L right there. And it's just a fun activity that is only limited by your imagination. These shapes are not just limited to letters. You can use these shapes to make fun creatures and even monsters. So I'm going to take my shapes and try and make a figure. Ooh, maybe I have a head, and then a body, and even some ears. I like it. And that's my creature. And I can use all my imagination and say that he only has one eye. And that's my creature. Wow, that was so much fun. We got to make our own letters and even use our creativity to make our own creatures. You know what would be fun? Another book. All right, we have this great book. It's called I Can Do It Too. And the author is Karen Baker, and the pictures are made by Ken Wilson Max. We have the front cover, the spine, tickle tickle, and then the back cover. And I love this book because it's her back, and this is her front. All right, we have I Can Do It Too. I love saying that, I can do it. At breakfast time, when we get up, Dad pours some juice into his cup. I can do it too. Can you pour? Make the noise. Gluck, 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 gluck. It's okay if you get a little messy, because you can fix it. My sister puts on all her clothes and snaps and zips and ties the bows. I can do it too. Ooh, she's looking good, just like Big Sister. Grandma visits me and bakes the most delicious chocolate cakes. I can do it too. She's mixing and getting messy, but it's okay as long as you clean it. Grandpa always reads to me and holds the book so I can see. I can do it too. She might not be reading the words, but she's reading the pictures. Picking, plucking, strumming strings. My uncle plays guitar and sings. I can do it too. Aw, look at her cute little pink guitar. If I go bonk and start to cry, my mom can kiss my ouch goodbye. I can do it too. She's kissing her doll and making sure her doll doesn't feel bad. My best friend likes to play that she's in a castle sipping tea. I can do it too. Can you do that? Make sure pinky's up. My neighbor rides a bicycle, and though mine's called a tricycle, I can do it too. It's a tricycle. Let's count the wheels. 1, 2, 3. Try is for 3. The baby learns to walk today, and when my family shouts hooray, I say, I can do it too. Oh, everyone's so happy for baby. The end. Did you like that book, Mr. Chick? Oh, he's telling me that he can't do things. Oh, I'm so sorry. But I think I have a song that can really help you. Okay, well, Mr. Chick, I'm going to introduce you to my shark family. We have several friends. And the first friend is Baby Shark. Can you go ah and go yum 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 yum? And Baby Shark likes to rip shoop, shoop, paper. And this is a really good one if you're opening up food packages. And you can say, I can do it. Next we have Brother Shark, and Brother Shark likes to cut with scissors. I even have some. And this is important. It's always thumb on top with scissors. Because a lot of times kids, they cut with scissors like that and it gets all crazy. But for parents, thumb on top. So Brother Shark goes, ah, yum 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 yum. Next we have Sister Shark. And Sister Shark likes to hold pencils and pens. You see the 3 fingers here? Sister Shark. That's very important because sometimes kids like to write like this. And although it's fun, it's hard to make your letters. Next we have Mama Shark. She's so proud. She says, bravo, bravo. And we have Daddy Shark. And Daddy Shark likes to throw and catch balls. And lastly, we have Grandma Shark. Grandma Shark. And Grandma is happily retired. Let's go ahead and sing the song. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Brother shark doo 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 doo. Brother shark doo 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 doo. Mama shark doo 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 doo. Mama shark doo 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 doo. Don't forget Sister Shark doo 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 doo. Sister Shark doo 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 doo. Daddy Shark doo 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 doo. Daddy Shark doo 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 doo. Grandma Shark. Grandma Shark. Now we swim, doo 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 doo. Now we swim, doo 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 doo. From the shark, doo 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 doo. From the shark, doo 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 doo. And I got you. And if you're singing at home, that's a good time to give a big, big hug. So whenever you say, I can't do it, parents, you can always say, use Baby Shark or use Sister Shark. And then they will have the tools so that they can do it too.
Hi, Miss Kim. That was really fun, but I don't know my letters.
Yeah, I don't know my letters either. It's okay, because we can always just play with letters. You don't need to know them, because we're just playing. Let's go ahead and play a game. It's called Hickety Pickety Bumblebee. Can you say that? Hickety Pickety Bumblebee. Yeah, that's very fun. Let's get started.
Oh, Miss Kim, let's play the Hickety Pickety Bumblebee game.
All right, let's get started. The first letter I'm going to wait on that one. The third letter is going to be this one, G. So think about it. It could be either dog or chick. The third letter is G. And the second letter is O. Og. Og. Does chick rhyme with og or does dog rhyme with og? Oh, I know! It's dog! Because dog rhymes with og. You're right! Dog. Hickety pickety bumblebee. Can you say the name with me?
It's dog! Dog!
Yeah! You're right. Let's go ahead and count how many letters.
All right. 1, 2,
3! 3 letters, Miss Kim. Yes. And let's say dog. Dog. Do you know what syllables are?
I don't know.
Syllables is how many times you need to open your mouth when you say it. I'll give you an example. Paper.
Paper.
You open your mouth 2 times.
Paper.
And dog, let's try it.
Dog.
Dog. Yes, you only opened your mouth once. Let's try and clap it. Dog. Dog. Yeah, you only clapped once. And so it has 1 syllable. Yay! That's fun! You did it! And that's the Hickety Pickety Bumblebee game. That was so much fun. We got to read some books and we learned about letters and the letter shapes. And we even played Hickety Pickety Bumblebee. I'd like to end today with a fun ABC song and I'd like to play it to you on my ukulele. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you so much. I hope to see you again next time.